Where is it? Is it in that shirt? Ew, shake it.
Mom.
What? More what?
No. Mom.
Your fly. It's gotta be on the floor, bub.
No.
It's not up there anymore. Look on the floor. Is it on the floor? You found it? Oh, you did find it. Don't touch it. It's gonna jump at you.